Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are diving into the exciting world of kids' bedroom makeover. Whether you are looking to update your child's room for a new school year, preparing for a new addition to the family, or just want to create a fresh and fun space for your little one, we have got you covered. Why a kid's bedroom makeover? A well-designed bedroom can significantly impact your child's mood, creativity, and overall well-being. A makeover not only refreshes the space but also caters to their evolving interests and needs. From themed rooms to multifunctional spaces, the possibilities are endless. Paint or wallpaper the walls in colors that complement the theme. Add wall decals, posters, and frame artwork. Incorporate personalized elements like named plaques, custom bedding, and DIY crafts. Invest in multifunctional furniture like bunk beds with storage desks that double as play areas, or convertible cribs. Ensure the layout maximizes spaces and allows for easy movement. Consider safety features like rounded edges and secure shelvings. Popular themes include superheroes, princesses, space adventures, and nature. Consider your child's interests and hobbies. Keep the theme adaptable to ensure the room grows with your child. Thanks for watching this video. Up to next time, happy decorating.